First of all, just by way of introduction, it's a broadband light source device that has vacuum-assisted suction, so we're able to treat deep dermal components like acne and sebaceous glands specifically.
In the worst stages of acne, I felt very self-conscious. My self-esteem surely wasn't as high as it should have been. I was always having to check my face in the mirror. I was always concerned about maybe I had a breakout or that girls were looking at my acne instead of me. It did bother me.
When I first started seeing Jonathan Weiss, he was a very self-conscious young man who was getting ready to start his senior year of high school. He had cystic pustular papular type acne.
Throughout my years of having acne, I've had several different types of treatment, including over-the-counter and prescription. I've done Proactive, Duac, Tazarac. When me and my dermatologist came to the realization that my orals and different types of prescriptions were not working, we discussed Accutane. But I decided I did not want to do Accutane because of all the risks and side effects, so she introduced me to a new system called Theravent acne treatment.
In my experience, the Theravent, in comparison to other devices that we've used for acne, seems to be simpler, less operator error, less chances for bruising, and the general erythema to the skin resolves much quicker than in other devices.
The technological advances in the device are such that the contact cooling and the water cooling is within the tip itself, and that really makes it much more markedly comfortable for patients, especially our adolescent patients. The treatment itself, again, is focused on treating inflammatory acne, primarily some comedonal acne, and we are getting good results with just a few treatments.
Since my treatment, I have been more than pleased. My acne was considered probably severe, and now, as you can see, it's all gone. The blemishes are gone. I still have very little scar tissue, but the treatment helps reduce the scar tissue, so I've been more than happy. It's completely changed my life. My self-esteem has actually gone up. I'm not self-conscious about my face. I don't even have to worry about it anymore.